go. Can you go? Death row? What a brother know. Once again, back is the incredible rhyme animal, the uncannibal thief. Public enemy number one. 5-0 said freeze, and I got numb. Can I tell them that I really never had a gun? But it's the wax that the Terminator X spun. Now they got me in a cell cause my records they sell. Cause a brother like me said, well, Farrakhan's a prophet and I think you wanna listen to what they can say to you. What you ought to do is follow for now. How will the people say? Make a miracle. I'm the lyrical. Black is back, all in. We're gonna win. Check it out.
Yeah, yo, come on.
Here we go again. The beats and the lines are so dope. Listen for lessons I'm saying inside music that the critics are blasting me for. They'll never care for the brothers and sisters like cause the country has us up for the war. We got to get them straight.